Hello, guys. I finally, after like a year and whatever it is, 3 months that I've been playing this game, finally, I was finally able to defeat, I don't know if it's the stage 14, part 15, whatever it is, 14, stage 14, part 14, I don't know, something abyss. Eternal Abyss? I don't remember what it was called. Whoops. Alright, sorry about that. And this will be a pretty short video, so bear with me. All right. You know what? Before I do anything, let me do one thing first. Phobos is almost 100,000. He'll be 100,000 right now. Boom. Thank goodness, I still got two more of those. You know, this is pretty awesome. You get someone in the red. Phobos is red, and then I get the 5th and 6th. Usually they're the hardest ones to get, those last couple. And Kayla's progressing nicely. It's over 75. But this video is pretty much about her. Ever since I got Kayla, I've tried different things where I couldn't beat certain people. I could easily get into the top 100 of Arena now because she is such an awesome character. I mean, there's times where she'll take out at least three, sometimes four people. She takes out like Orion, Sebastian, Martha, Celeste. She like wipes all these people out. The one day she wiped out like two right off the bat, then another, and then went down and sliced up Georgian. Okay, so here's what I'm going to show you. Well, what's it called first? Eternal Abyss or something? Endless Abyss. Okay, Endless Abyss. Voices whisper, you may not proceed. You must turn back. Forget this path forever. And still, what kind of bravery would it take to step forward and gaze straight into the dark face of danger? Alright, hit start. Now, I have Kayla in here. I could not beat this. I even looked up like videos on YouTube. I was trying to do it the way other people say. It would never work, never work, never work. I put in Albus to go with these guys, and she comes back and just starts slicing up this priest. Now, this stupid thing here keeps rejuvenating them, but when, say, Mojo or especially Cornelius shoots his ult and the big rock that forms comes and hits him, it's pretty good. Now this is her. This is her with her ult. She ults and she turns into... Well, it depends on... Well, alright, here comes Cornelius. Bang. Alright, now she should slice him up. If not, if he starts getting healed again by this thing, you just have to wait till the next time. But I love it when Kayla throws those little circle things. I call them predator rings, because it looks like those rings in the movie Predator that the Predator guy throws around. All right, here it goes. There it is. Bang. Cornelius hits him with that rock, that formation rock, and then Kayla just slices him up. I could not even get past this first part until I start using Kayla. I said, you know what? I tried Cleaver first because he got that hook, that rusty hook, and he brings people towards him and he slices them up. But it didn't matter. He would bring them up and start slicing. That stupid little green orb kept rejuvenating them. All right, right off the bat, here comes Mojo. All right, this might work. Here comes the rock. He's done. Come on, get him. Oh, he's starting to get healed by that stupid thing. I thought he was going to go right off the bat. You can even do this if you want to save time. Here comes. Bang. Oh my God, this stupid thing that gives him energy drives you crazy. I thought this was going to be a nice 6-minute video. Be able to get it over with quick. Gotta love it when Kale's got the Phoenix in her. That should do it. Alright. And then she waits for them to catch up to her, and then they go off, and then she jumps again. Alright, 2 priests on this one. So sometimes that thing that, this skull that Mojo spits out over here, that works great too. But Kayla slicing up these guys, this spear, this little orb thing can only give power to one of them. And as Kayla comes close to them, she'll slice all 3 of these players at the same time. That's what makes it sweet. You know, it looks like Galahad's taking care of that weird thing on top of wheels. I don't even know what it's called. Come on. Come on, Cornelius. Here we go. Bang. All right, come on. Come on. Come on. They're trying to take Kayla out. They're all ganging up on her, but she's hanging in there. There goes Albus. I wish you could knock out this stupid little green thing. Alright, 1 priest down, 1 to go. Thank you, Cornelius. Yep, they kept 4-on-1, 5-on-1 on her until she had to jump back. Bang. Alright, now she came back, she got enough re-energies. Thank you, Martha. Alright, good job, Albus. And I think that thing in the front's going down right now for Mojo. Mojo, Martha, and Cornelius all triple-teamed her. Triple-teamed it. Alright, that should do it. Yep, there we go. Alright, guys. Video Video lasted a little bit longer than I wanted, but 10 more Simons, 38 more featherings, and 10 more points for my guild. Alright, video lasted a little bit longer, but at least I showed you how. At least maybe those other versions are obsolete. I was thinking of clicking. I clicked on someone today and it was only 2,800. I felt like taking it. I don't know who it was. Sebastian, 12,000? Maybe Helios? Yeah. 2,800. I might do that. Alright, anyway, so. Endless Abyss, now I gotta beat, I don't know, some kind of creature. I don't remember what his name is. Seymour. So, when I figure out how to beat Seymour, I'll make another video for you guys. Alright, thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it. Oh, good. Good, I needed all this stuff. Well, I guess I needed all this stuff with Celeste, but that's still good, though. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care.